Yeah, this is problem number 18 based on missing character. Right. What number should replace the question mark? See now observe here. So I told you in the last previous problems that you have to analyze either row wise or column wise or diagonally, right, or otherwise. So alternate column or alternate row. Now here let us check out. It is very simple, I think. See. Okay, fine. We got to know that 8 nines are. Let us multiply this. 8 into 9, 72, and if you subtract 3, you will get 69. 7 into 5, 35 minus 6 is 29. So 7 fours are 28 minus 9, it is 19. 9 eights are 72 minus 4, which is going to be 68. The answer is 68.